Hi all, how you doing? Right, you're probably wondering where I've been. Well, you know I've had a few problems, whatever, and not been in the mood to make any videos. But yeah, my workbench. Well, look at it. It's all here. All my stuff is behind here, piled up. Got a few jobs to do. See, look, haven't done anything really. Look at this. What a mess. I need to clear this all up. Anyway, what I've been working on. Well, I don't really know anything about these bows, but I'll tell you what, they're absolutely brilliant. I've got one in my bedroom. I've had it for years. I found it. Someone put it outside their house. They didn't want it. And when I plugged it in, I bought one of these little Bluetooth adapters like this one, and it worked straight away. So I thought, you know what, I need one downstairs. So anyway, I was looking on eBay, as you normally do, and well, I couldn't. Well, I found one, and the bloke said it was working. Was it hell? No. And he was asking too much money, so I did. I just sent it back. You know, I couldn't be bothered. But this one, I mean, I saw this one. This was really good price. It was £5 something. I think I paid fiver plus the postage, so it's about 13 quid in the end total. And it even came with the original Bose remote. There we go. I've had to play the music already because I'm on the phone and I'm playing the music from the phone, and you know, it's awkward. I can't sort of flip the screens over. If I try to flip the screen and go to the music and stop it, it won't work. So I'll cut the video. That's the only trouble. But look at this. Oh, what a mess in there. I've got to clear up. I've got some new speakers to try out. Some Tenor 603s. With the NAD amp here. Where is it? Behind here. I've got the NAD amp still. There we go. And I've got the old what do you call it? Cyrex, working like a dream. I changed the other speakers as well. I'm using some speakers on there called Boston. Sorry about this mess, but I've got no choice. I've got no room. Need a bigger house and a workshop. And they sound great. They really do. I still got those other little JVCs, but you know, I'm not going to use them for much really. Anyway, let me put the music up a bit and you can have a listen. And I'm going to put a link. Oh yeah, what happened was one of the boards on this one was gone, obviously, for £5. And the guy sounded genuine. He just said it stopped working a few years back, and I just sort of put it away in the cupboard. So he thought, better get rid of it. Anyway, there's a chap called Paul, and I'm not joking, he's a guru with these things. He's brilliant. He's really helped me out a hell of a lot. And obviously asked him a load of questions about these. And apparently there's 3 boards in this. You got the main amplifier board, which is situated behind there somewhere. Then you got the docking board under there. And then just under that, or just further back, there's another board. And that's the one that generally goes, I think, it could be a couple of them caps. I think what do you call those small little caps? Not the normal ones. They're SMCs or something like that. Is it SMC? Something like that. They go, or the op amps. They got a little small preamp called an op amp. You find them in quads as well, quad 405s. But I really don't like messing around desoldering small little things like that. You know, I'd rather desolder it and put a you can put a little socket, put a little tiny IC socket, really, which is a good idea, because if it does go wrong again, you just sort of unplug the other one and plug in a new one, which is a not bad idea. Whether it still fit, that is a point. Whether it still fits inside the casing or not, I don't know, because there's like a shield, metal shield either side of the chip, so maybe the little DIL socket, is it dual inline? Yeah, dual inline socket might not work. Maybe that's one of the reasons why people don't do that. I don't know. But anyway, let me put this on a bit. Sounds bloody great, I'll tell you that. I'm going to put a link to this guy's called Paul, all right? And I'll put a link to his, I lost my train of thought. Oh God, I haven't done this for ages, have I? I'll put a link to his eBay parts channel, his shop, his eBay shop, and he sells all the spares for it as well. So it's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. But I'm going to put a link, so if you've got one of these and it's gone wrong, no sound, etc., just click on the link and mention my name, and Paul will sort you out, definitely. Really great guy to deal with, I'm not joking. Right, so I'm hungry at the moment. I haven't even eaten hardly anything all day. Oh, now the song's finished. Shit, and I can't go back because I'm using the Bluetooth from my phone. Hopefully next song will come on. Hope so. I can't go forward. I might do it automatically. Sorry about the toast and all that, but as you can see, I've run out of room. Look, I've got a pile of stuff there, tuners and all sorts. Is it going to play something? Oh, yeah, it is. Right. I'll just play a little bit. I'll just play a little bit of it. It's going to be a short video, this. Sounds phenomenal. And I'll tell you what, don't buy any other makes. Only get a Bose. I bought a small docking thing. It was so cheap, I thought I'll get it. £5, something like that. About the same as this one, but this bush was working. But I'm going to use it, put it here somewhere, I don't know, and just use it to plug in, you know, cassette player or something like that, cassette deck, because it's got auxiliary on the back, so I can use it just for testing, really. That's what I bought it for, and it all works as well. So, but it doesn't sound like the Bose. Nowhere close, not even close. I can't really appreciate the sound coming through the phone and through YouTube. I didn't think about it, but I've got an iPad over there. I could have played the music through the iPad. Ah, never mind. This sounds great.
And after all, we're only ordinary men.
There you go. Right, it's just going to be a short video. I can't even talk properly because I'm really hungry and I'm thirsty. Sugar levels dropping. But there we go. So I'm going to put a link to Paul's eBay shop. So if you need anything for Bose, this is the Mark 1, Series 1. It's the Bose Sound Dock. Series 1, and normally people used to put their iPods in there, you know. It's got a 30-pin connector, but obviously I don't have one of those anymore, so I just plug in the USB adapter, which is about £6, £7 for the adapter. It's brilliant. And a little quick blast. You know me, Pink Floyd, love Pink Floyd. Also love the Beatles, but you can't put any Beatles songs whatsoever because the copyright is crazy. Yeah, you get blocked straight away, so I don't know. But there we go. Let me stop it now and I shall see you all later. I'll make another video soon, I promise. Just things that have got on top of me lately for things I can't really explain on it. Oh look, Special K. Oh, what a crappy video, really. Never mind, you got the gist of it anyway. Alright then folks, I'll talk to you all later, and bye for now. And remember, if you've got one of these sound docks and it doesn't work, just click on the link below this video and that'll take you to Paul's eBay shop. And as I said, just mention me, you never know, might even give you a little discount. Might do, who knows. Alright then, talk to you all later. Bye for now.